everybody? I'm back with another video for the Frontier. This time we're just gonna do a simple video. I mean, this is something I had on the truck before and I decided to take off because I had some warranty work done to it. I didn't want that to void my warranty or anything. But you all obviously know what this is. This is what we're gonna be doing today. Today we're gonna need 10, 12, 14 millimeter. 10 is for the light bulb right here. 12 I believe is for this that goes, yeah, for this. That goes into our differential. 14 is to take the OEM differential out. So I parked pretty much on the curb right here, and I'm just gonna get up under here. But also I want to apologize to you all because I have not been uploading any videos for the Frontier because I've been dealing with this. This is my bike. Love it. And that's just what's been keeping me from this baby right here. We're just gonna jump right into this video. I don't really want to make this a long video. I made a video last year. I never uploaded it because it was just too long, so hopefully we can just run straight through this one. We're just gonna start by getting up under the truck and taking off the original differential breather now. So since I backed it up on the curb, I do have a little bit of space up under here. I just want to make sure I'm not in any ants or anything. I got the parking brake on, got the regular brake on. And this is what we're going to be getting to with our 14 millimeter. And you're going to need a deep socket for this. Deep socket, 14. And it just goes right up on it. Yeah. And we're just going to unscrew that. And while we're looking under here, we're going to be thinking of a way to route our hose to get to the tail light. So the tail light is up under there. And we'll get through there in a second. Before you decide to take this off all the way, and make sure you do clean around it, just so nothing drips down into your differential and then you'll be in and out changing gears, and that's like a whole $3,000, $4,000 process, so you don't want to do that. So clean up around your OEM differential before you take it off all the way. We got our hose set up, and this time I'm just gonna go from the tail light first. So I already loosened these two screws on the side. They're the two 10 millimeters here and here, and then you just pull your tail light out. So let's just go from the tail light side first, instead of snaking it on up, because I just want to do it different. This, kind of got to pull it out and then backwards because there's a pin there. And from that, I blew all of this out with the air last time I did it, but I don't even think that's going to be very necessary. So you see the space here and reaching down to the ground from there. We're just going to put our hose through there. I placed our end filter inside on the hose, on the end of the hose behind the tail light. And really you want this at the highest point in this, so just in case water does, you know, submerge all the way the tail of the truck, your differential will at least have a fighting chance. So I might just tape this up in here to the highest point that I can. Try not to have it touching the top because it could suck in dust or anything like that, but you know, that's what the filter's for in the first place anyways, just in case that does happen. We're under the truck. That's where the hose comes from, the tail light. And I just went above our rear shackle, I guess you could say. Yeah. And over this part as well, just to kind of avoid some of the heat coming from this exhaust pipe. And we'll meet up with our rear differential. So I'm gonna zip tie the hose out of the way so it doesn't accumulate any heat or too much heat from the exhaust pipe. And then tie it all back up, and you're gonna see what I did. And we've got our rear differential breather on there. You always want to make sure you give it a little slack wherever you mount it and route it to, for, you know, for all you hardcore off-roaders. So I zip tied it to the brake line, the metal brake line up there, not the wire brake line. I went above a little shackle up here and through, as you can see, through here, just for a little extra security. So I went through that over here and back up there. So I'm gonna clip that zip tie, and then it's behind the rear tail light. So let's see what we got behind the rear tail light. So we got right here, zip tied it to the tail light wires. And there it is up in there. And we're gonna get that away from all of that dirt and dust and everything. But then again, that's what the filter's for, so we should be all right.